Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making baked turkey wings. My recipe is simple, easy, and straight to the point. I have my turkey wings. I have red onions, green peppers, yellow peppers, and I believe those are either orange or red peppers. For my seasonings, I have garlic powder, garlic cloves. I have Maggi all-purpose seasoning, salt, a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Here I'm going to cut off the wing tip of my turkey wings. I was struggling with these turkey wings. I need to get me a better knife. I prefer cutting my turkey tips off of my turkey wing. I washed and cleaned my turkey wings with lemons and limes. That is how I clean mine. Here I'm drizzling some olive oil on my wings and I'm going to oil them up really good. Get in the crevices, honey. Now I'm adding my seasonings, my Cajun seasoning. My garlic powder. Salt. Complete seasoning. And Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to rub the seasoning all over my wings. I'm going to make sure that they are seasoned real good. And now I'm going to add in my garlic, my diced garlic. Here I'm going to put them in the pan and I'm going to bake them. I'm going to add in my peppers and my onions, and I'm going to cover it up with some aluminum foil, and I'm going to stick it in the oven, and I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees. Here I made some gravy to pour over my turkey wings. So here I'm putting some butter in a pan. I want to add some garlic and some onions. I'm adding some garlic powder. Some complete seasoning, some paprika. I'm not going to fry my vegetables long. I just wanted to sear them until they are fragrant. Now I'm adding in my flour. I'm going to cook my flour for a couple of minutes. You want to get the flour taste out of your flour. I wasn't looking for a specific color when it comes to my gravy. Now I'm adding in my chicken broth. I added a little bit of chicken bouillon. Now my gravy is to my liking. I tasted it and it is good. Now I'm going back to my turkey wings and I'm going to pour my gravy over my turkey wings. I'm going to move them around so that the gravy gets in between them. And I put my turkey wings back in my oven without the aluminum foil. And here are my turkey wings. My turkey wings are done. They were delicious. We have made baked turkey wings. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.